Hey everyone, welcome back to Alberto's Adventures. Here we have a quick room tour of the Park MGM 2 queen bed room. This is the entrance. And right as you enter in, you have the restroom, a nice mirror, sink, Toto toilet, hair dryer, extra towels, and shower. It's a pretty big shower. So then the door here to close the bathroom, it's one of those like barn doors. When you close the bathroom, it opens up the closet space. Safe, luggage rack, extra drawers here, hangers, the iron, ice bucket, cups. You can swivel the door, close that space, and then into the main room. You have the 2 queen beds. Very simple design. Different pictures, different art. Different artwork on the wall there. There's the view. And then here we have the full-length mirror. And the TV. It's a pretty big TV. Chair, table, nice big couch, sitting area. Have the phone, some outlets back there. And in this particular room, this is the view of the valley, the mountains. That's the pool area down there. And yeah, again, 2 queen bed, Park MGM, the first non-smoking casino on the strip. And they also provide this little kit which has masks and hand sanitizer. So here's some hand sanitizer. And 2 masks. Park MGM. Right under the television, you also have USB ports, HDMI, Bluetooth audio, regular outlets, so plenty of places to hook up your electronics. This is the 2 queen bedroom at Park MGM. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave comments if you have any questions or concerns. Again, thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.